Good day and welcome to C Programming Practice. In today's session, we shall implement a four-function calculator that is for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using switch case. The plan for this is we have to read first number, operator, second number. For example, 5 plus 2, if we type on the monitor, it should give the answer 7. Second point, we'll use switch case as mentioned in the problem statement. Third one, data type that we use is going to be double because it can manage both integer and floating point numbers and to the highest precision. Next important point is in this program we'll have to take care of division by 0. So these are the test cases that we'll have to check in the end. Okay. So now let's implement this problem in C. Let's start. First double click on Dev C++ IDE or any IDE that you have. You open that. Click on File, New. In that new option, Source File. So editor window is open. Here we can type our program. The first statement always hash include stdio.h. So standard IO header file is included. This is required for read statement that is scanf and print statement that is printf. For clarity, I shall leave one line here. It is not mandatory. Then int main function that you will have to give. Then body of main function. Here we'll type our code. Last statement always it will be return 0 semicolon. So this much part will be there in all C programs. This I may not repeat. You will do. Here one heading using single line comment I will give C programming practice. That is 2. This is the second one. Second single line comment I will give to explain what this program is about. This is to build a four function calculator. So that we are using with switch case. So comments we write for documentation purpose. So this is C programming practice 2 and this is explaining what this program is all about. Okay. So next we have preprocessor directive, then main function. Within the body of main function actual code will be written. So first we have to reserve three memory locations, A number, then B number. So A, B memory locations of double data type where we are going to store our two numbers. So two memory locations are reserved. This part we call it as declaration. Next to store the operator, character type data, reserved word CHAR. So character data type. For that OP, name of the memory location we are giving. So with this declaration is over. So two memory locations for two numbers, one memory location for operator, two numbers of double type. They are going to be stored in memory locations whose names are A and B, and one memory location name is OP. In that we hope to store plus minus symbols, that characters. Hence this memory location of type CHAR we have taken. Next we will print a message on the monitor. So we'll have to ask the user enter first number. Then what they have to type operator and second number. So this message will be printed on the monitor. Okay, new line means it goes to next line and takes the numbers there. So every statement must be ended with semicolon. In next line, when he enters 3, 5 plus 2, 5 first number plus is the operator, 2 is the second number. They must be directed to A, OP and B memory location. So that is what is reading. For that scanf statement is used. Scanf within bracket, within double quotes. So format specifier percentage LF for first number, then percentage C for operator, then percentage LF for second number. So after specifying the format outside the double quotes, comma, so here what first number is typed on the monitor that must be directed to. So address operator. So which memory location A, which is already reserved in the declaration, comma. The second operator character must be directed to op memory location. So we have given name op to that memory location, comma, ampersand, then B. Then every statement as it is, it must be ended with semicolon. So now reading will be over. This message will be printed on the monitor, percentage %LF. So what he types first number of double type that will be directed to memory location A, then plus what he plus minus multiplication or division, what character he types that will be sent to op memory location. Second number what he types it will be directed to third memory location, that is B. 1 2 3, anyway 3 memory locations. So this order we must mention properly here. First number to A, second character to op, then third what he types second number that must be directed to memory location B. With this reading will be over. So after reading we'll have to go for switch case, because in that we'll have to check operator where it is in op memory location, then body of the switch case within which we will put our code. Okay, here first case, what case we'll have to check, is it plus, it is character type means within single quotes, if number means single quotes are not needed, but op is character type. Op what we are checking, that is character type. Okay, this is switch here. So if it is plus, as per syntax here give colon. So after checking if it is plus, what must be done? Printf. So within parenthesis, within double quotes. So first number must be typed, whatever was read. For that percentage LF. Then what must be typed? What will be the first operator that we will type readily here? Plus. Then second number percentage LF. So then that must be equal to another double type number. So we have written here outside double quotes, comma. This must be filled with A, comma. Then this must be filled with B, comma. And this third must be filled with A plus B. Okay. So here semicolon. So after doing this break, it should go out of switch case block, should come out of this. Then program is going to be ended. So for one case, we'll test this. So after typing Ctrl S to save the changes, so it will ask where to save. You may go to any drive. So which drive? This PC. If we come to E drive, here if you want to create one folder. So I will create my programs. Then double click that folder. You will enter into that folder. Give file name C practice 2. So when you click save, here you observe untitled will be changed to this name. So C practice to your file name or your C program name, it will be E drive in the folder my programs. So saving is over. Next, first time it will ask. Second time Control S if you press, it will not ask. So after saving, execute, compile. Here no errors displayed. So execute, run. So the message is printed. So what message we had given here? Enter first number operator, that is printed. Now it is waiting. Why scanf is there? It wants to take the numbers and put into memory location. Till we give the number, it will not move. So we will type 5, then plus 2. This only we had planned that we will give the data this way. The points for planning what we had discussed. So first number, operator and second number in this format we will give. So after this press enter. So what it is printing? 5 plus 2. So when operator was plus, it came here. Switch, this operator value is checked with first case. Is it plus? Okay, it has entered here. What it has printed? Percentage LF means value from A it has taken, that is 5 we had given. 5 we had given, it had gone to A. Then plus we had given, that has gone to OP. 2 we had given, that 2 has gone to B. Now percentage LF substitute with A means 5. Then plus as it is. We know that for plus we are writing the code. Then percentage LF substitute with B means 2 is substituted. Then equal to as it is, percentage LF is taken from this computation A plus B. So that compiler will do A plus B 5 plus 2 and it is printing here. By default to 6 decimal places it will print float or double values. What kind of data we have taken? Double type. By default to 6 decimal values. Now if you want this for only 2 decimal values, what we have to do here? You give 0.2, means only to 2 decimal values you print. So that is what is the message here. Now Control S to save the modifications, execute, compile, execute, run. Okay. So the same 5 plus 2 we will give, press enter. See now to 2 decimal places precision, the output is written. So now this part of code is working for one case. We'll have to repeat this for minus, multiplication and division. So select this, Control C to copy, go to next line to paste, press Control V, go to next line, Control V, go to next line, Control V. 4 cases are over. Plus we shall make this minus, and here we'll have to change the computation minus. Printing also must be correct, that is why minus here. So the third case we shall do multiplication. So computation multiplication, or printing also you should look like multiplication. Here division, here also computation, that is division, or look-wise also division. But for division, we'll have to take care here. So what we have to do here, if second number, that is B, not equal to 0, only then it must do. So we'll see, leave some margin. This is called as indentation. It gives clarity in looking and following. It increases readability. Okay. So margins for clarity in understanding. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. Industry point of view, it's a very good practice. We'll leave some margin here. So if statement is, if B is not equal to 0, it will do this. Else what it must do? So else. So here we'll copy this printf statement instead of typing again. So else within double quotes it must print division by 0. Error division by 0. Okay. So we don't want these memory or variables. Okay. So Control S to save. So this is for division. After doing division, it has to come out of this switch case. If any other operator is pressed, then default case we can utilize, which is there in the switch case. Here what we shall do, invalid operator message we shall give. Invalid operator. Okay. So double quotes. We don't want this memory location values or variable values. Control S, that is to save. Okay. Then execute, compile. So there are no errors. Now we shall check these one by one for 4 different cases. Plus, minus. Plus we have completed. We'll check for this minus, multiplication, division. In division, 5 by 2, okay. Next 5 by 0. One more test case, trying to divide by 0. These cases we'll have to do. Okay. Now we'll test our program for all different test cases. For addition we have seen, for subtraction we shall see now. So execute, compile and run. We'll give 5 minus 2, then enter. So 5 minus 2 is 3, and to the 2 decimal points of precision we are getting. Okay, that is correct. Next, execute, again run. So this time 5 multiplied by 2. So we are getting 10. That is also correct. Then execute, run, because already compiled. 5 divided by 2, press enter. So 5 divided by 2, 2.5 we are getting, that is correct. Then 5 divided by 0 we shall check. So execute, run. 5 divided by 0, then enter. So divide by 0, error divide by 0 message is coming. Okay. So this will make capital, no problem. Even if small, no problem. Then invalid operator we shall give. Execute, run. So 5, then any operator you give, hash symbol, then 2, invalid operator. So one from test case we will take now, what was mentioned in the problem statement. So one test case from here we shall take. Here when we type 5.123456789 plus 1, this we shall give as input, and let us verify we'll get this output, yes or no. Okay. Remaining you can try, or any other data also you can try. So execute, run. So 5.123456789. Then this is first number, then operator plus, then second number 1. So 6.12 we are getting. So then our code is perfect for the given problem statement. We have implemented 4-function calculator. Okay. So that was the programming practice number 2. So several such practices are needed for mastering the programming language. Only through practice we can hope to get expertise. So you take one work, you extend this code for 5th function, that is mod operation. That is first point. Or any other example applications if you know, or if you have, that you can suggest in the comments box. I can help to build them. That is second point. So we have started C programming practice journey. Are you there with me? If yes, do you need such? If yes, then please type yes we need or I am ready in the comments box. So such feedback can help us or boost us to prepare more and more on such series. Okay, I hope you understood. Don't forget to subscribe at VSH Tech Studies for more such C programming practice and Tech Plus motivation. Thank you.